So here are a few examples. So we're going to try and find out how many moles are in 500 centimetre cubed of 2 mole per decimetre cubed. So for this one, I'm going to have moles equals my concentration times my volume, and if I'm using centimetres cubed, it will be over 1,000. So it's going to be 2 times 500 divided by 1,000. So that gives me 1 mole.
Yeah.
Yep. But this one, 100 centimetres cubed with 0.5, so 100 times 0.5, again, divided by 1,000, that gives me 0.05 moles.
Yeah.
But this one, what's the concentration? I need to convert, because remember, for concentration is equal to moles divided by volume. So I need to convert that to moles first of all. 73 grams of hydrochloric acid. 73 divided by the molar mass of hydrochloric acid, which is...
36.5.
Yep. That comes to
2.
2. So it's 2 divided by my volume, which is 100, times by 1,000. That gives me 20 moles per decimetre cubed. Oh, that is really concentrated. Okay. And this guy, 49 grams. The molar mass of sulfuric acid is 98. So that equals 0.5. So my concentration is 0.5 divided by 500 times by 1,000. And that comes to 1. Everyone happy with those? Sometimes on you will see, rather than people putting moles per decimetre cubed, sometimes moles per decimetre cubed is represented with a capital M. So they just put 20 and then a capital M. So that represents moles per decimetre cubed. Every now and again, you would have worked out the concentration in moles per decimetre cubed, and they want you to convert it into grams per decimetre cubed. So let's do an example. So sometimes, just for fun, you need to convert moles per decimetre cubed to grams per decimetre cubed. Very, very easy. Example, convert 2 moles per decimetre cubed of HCl aqueous to grams per decimetre cubed. How do I convert moles to grams? What do I need to times by? Times by the molar mass of the compound. So let's do molar mass of HCl is 36.5 grams per mole. Therefore, concentration is going to equal 73 grams per decimetre cubed.
So what do you times by the molar mass? The moles per decimetre.
So sometimes, particularly in controlled assessments, they'll ask you to make up a standard solution. So a standard solution is producing a solution of a set concentration that they'll tell you. So they'll say, how many grams of, let's do, sodium nitrate is needed to make 250 centimetres cubed of 1 mole per decimetre cubed solution. So they've said, I want a 1 mole per decimetre cubed solution, but I only want 250 centimetres cubed of it. How many grams do I need to dissolve? So the first thing to do, step 1, is work out the moles required. So to do that, we use moles equals concentration times volume over 1,000. Concentration is 1. I need 250 centimetres cubed of it. Divided by 1,000, that comes to 0.25 moles. So I need 0.25 moles. How do I convert it to a mass? Moles to mass is...
Time by mole mass.
Yes, cool. Step 2, convert moles to mass. Which means times by the molar mass. So I'm going to do 0.25 times by the molar mass of sodium nitrate, which I have as being 85. So 0.25 times 85, I think that gives me 21.25 grams. So to do that, I would dissolve. So what you would do is you would dissolve 21.25 grams in 250 centimetres cubed.
And then that will give you 1 mole.
1 mole per decimetre cubed, yeah. Because I don't always want to make 1 decimetre cubed of everything.